I got his kids. Steamworks. Renee's. Oh, it's me, overhauled. Slowly. I've been put it back together for a little surprise. Bertram! Gasped Renee's. But you're a museum piece. He chuckled. I was. But now I'm gonna work. Again on this cuddly baby. This I'm sure you'll have someone coming for you. Oh yeah, said Renee's. Douglas. The little Douglas. I'm telling them clearly, you'll get on with them well. Oh, I know I will. Get well, buddy. I will. This overhaul will make me much more grand than ever. Should be back by the end of the year. Well, that's a relief, said Bertram. Well, thank you all for watching. Yes, said Renee. Goodbye, y'all.